Mastering the zero conditional in English. Hello there, language learners. Today we're going to delve into the world of conditional sentences. More specifically, we're going to tackle the zero conditional. Now, don't let the name intimidate you. It's much simpler than it sounds. The zero conditional is a structure in English that we use for situations that are always true if something happens. It's a factual conditional, because the result is always true, like a scientific fact. We often use this form to talk about general truths or to give instructions. Here's how the structure typically looks. If plus present simple, present simple. An example of this could be, if you heat ice, it melts. Remember, the order of the clauses doesn't matter in this case, meaning you could also say, ice melts if you heat it. The zero conditional is used to express a general truth or a fact that always happens under certain conditions. It's generally used for scientific facts or universally known truths. Here are some examples. If you don't eat, you get hungry. If it rains, the grass gets wet. Notice how these sentences express facts that are universally true? It's also important to note that both clauses in the zero conditional are in the present simple tense. Now, let's practice what we've learned with some exercises. Remember, the key to mastering any new concept is practice, practice, practice. 1. Fill in the blanks. If you, blank, touch a fire, you, blank, get burned. If it, blank, snow, the roads, blank, become slippery. 2. Create your own zero conditional sentences. Try to think of universal truths or actions and consequences that always occur. And that wraps up our lesson on the zero conditional. I hope you found this lesson helpful and informative. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to go over these examples and do the exercises. English can be a complex language, but with patience and persistence, you can master it. Happy learning!